Welcome back, guys. So today in this video I'm going to show you the 5 best nutrients to have a 2020 vision, the 5 best nutrients for your eyes. And I'm also going to tell you the common food sources where you can get these nutrients. So let's get into it. And the first nutrient is astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a naturally occurring carotenoid, and it is often called the king of carotenoid, and that is because of their exceptional antioxidant properties. Now, studies have shown that taking nutrients like astaxanthin can help treat and prevent eye-related issues. Now, one thing you need to understand is that the eyes consume large amount of oxygen, which can result in the generation of large amount of free radicals. Now, the other thing is that light exposure can also result in the generation of large amount of free radicals. So that can result in oxidative damage, that can result in cell damage, potentially causing eye issues like cataract, glaucoma, retinopathies, and even dry eyes. So taking a nutrient like astaxanthin can help counteract these free radicals. They can help neutralize these free radicals. Now, the other interesting benefit of astaxanthin is that it increases blood flow in the eye. It helps reduce inflammation. So doing all of this is going to help restore your vision. Now, astaxanthin also works with other carotenoids to help absorb light across a wider range of wavelengths. Okay, so where can you get astaxanthin? Well, astaxanthin are mostly found in freshwater algae, but you can also find them in fishes that consume this algae like salmon, krill, shrimp, trout. So this is where you can find astaxanthin. But the good news is that it is also available as a dietary supplement. So when you buy the supplement form, that is going to give you all of these benefits. It's very good for the eyes. And number 2 is zeaxanthin. Now, zeaxanthin is also a carotenoid that is essential for vision. Now, when you take this nutrient zeaxanthin, it usually gets concentrated in the retina part of the eye. And the retina is an optical tissue in the back part of the eye. It's not just a small part, it makes up a large portion of the back part of the eyeballs. Now, we have the small part, which is the macula. Macula is derived from the Latin word, which means spot, and lutea means yellow. Now, this is because of the high accumulation of carotenoid in the macular part of the eye. Now, the macular part of the eye as well as the retina is made up of millions of photosensitive receptors, including rods and cones, which helps transmit signals to the optic nerves, which then send these signals to the brain. So zeaxanthin actually plays a protective role. They help protect harmful blue rays from penetrating deep into your eye. They also serve as antioxidant. They protect your retina as well as your macula against oxidation. So by taking zeaxanthin, that is going to act as a natural sun blocker. It's going to protect your eye from radiation. Okay, so you really need to be taking zeaxanthin. It's very good for vision. Now, lutein is another carotenoid that works closely with zeaxanthin. Both of them are usually found in the macular part of the eye, and sometimes they are called the macular pigment. They are very important for vision. They are very important for reducing oxidation in your eye. So you can find both of these nutrients in foods like spinach, kale, carrots. You can find them in kiwi fruit. You can also find them in egg yolks and as well as peas. Okay, so these are the common sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. They are very important for safeguarding your eyes. Alright, number 4 is DHA. Now, DHA is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is essential, which simply means that our body cannot produce this form of fat. We always have to get it from the diet. And a DHA is one of the key components of the photoreceptor membrane in the retina. Now, in the retina, DHA is involved in increasing mitochondrial activity. It also helps reduce inflammation, and it also serves as antioxidant by preventing oxidation in your eye. Now, one thing you need to understand is that the DHA that is found in the retinal membrane are very susceptible to oxidation and free radicals. So because of this, you need constant supplementation of DHA. Okay, if you are deficient in DHA, that can result in cell death, and that can potentially result in eye issues like dry eyes. You could have glaucoma, you could have cataract, and you could also have age-related macular degeneration. So you simply need to be consuming a lot of DHA. It is an essential fat. Now, where can you get DHA? Well, you can get them in fatty fish like mackerel, sardine, herring, tuna, trout, as well as salmon. These are the common sources of DHA. It's also available as a dietary supplement. And lastly is vitamin A. Now, vitamin A is also called retinol, and it plays a big role in low light and color vision. And that is simply because vitamin A, retinol, is a key component of a protein called rhodopsin, which helps you to see in a low light area. Now, this is the reason why you see a lot of people who are deficient in vitamin A have night blindness. So vitamin A is really very important in allowing us to see in low light area. Okay, so you need to be taking vitamin A. It's very, very good for vision. Now you can get it in foods like spinach, carrots, you can get it in dairy products, potato, liver, you can get it in kale. Okay, these are the common sources of vitamin A. All right, so make sure to start eating all of this food, and that is going to help restore your vision. That is going to help prevent the progression of vision related issues. All right, thanks for watching.